How to buy build forward token. So this token came under the symbol of BF. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 18,000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 2 in the Binance or the BNB Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, it's a simple. Click here to copy the token address, open your Bitget wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar, and you can click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called BF. So after you find it, click on it, and here click on swap switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and as you can see here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive next to that token. As you can see here, in a while you will be able to see it. As you can see now, here click on stop and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BF token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.